Elliott, and today I'm presenting to you the HIT 1200 Plus, RUBI's manual cutter with 1,980 pounds of braking power and a maximum cutting length of 47 inches. This manual cutter is specially designed for the smoothest marking possible. For large format tiles, it's equipped with this double support system, and for 45-degree angle cuts, you've got this supplement. Included with the machine comes a 22mm extreme scoring wheel. It's also compatible with scoring wheels of 6, 8, 10, and 18mm. The breaker is magnetized so that you can change from the braking and marking positions very easily. And that's the HIT 1200 Plus. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions or you want to contact us, you can do so via our social media or via our website, rubi.com. And I'll see you at the next video.